Hey guys, these berry puff pastry stars are perfect for special celebrations. Think 4th of July, birthdays, baby showers, or even fancy brunches. Start by making the cream cheese filling. Mix cream cheese, sugar, vanilla extract, 1 egg yolk, lemon zest, and lemon juice until it's smooth, creamy, and tangy. Now roll out your puff pastry and cut out large stars using a cookie cutter. Gently score a smaller star in the center of each one. This creates a beautiful puffed border as they bake. Before filling, lightly prick the center with a fork. Brush the edges with egg white and sprinkle with cinnamon sugar. This helps keep the middle from puffing up too much and gives you the perfect space for the creamy filling. Spoon a little bit of the cream cheese mixture into the center of each star, right where you scored it. This gives the pastry a golden color and a sweet, crispy finish. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes until they're puffed and golden brown. Once they have cooled slightly, add fresh raspberries and blueberries right into the center. The middle stays soft and makes the perfect spot for the berries. Brush the fruit with a bit of slightly warmed strawberry glaze to add shine and that fresh, juicy look. Finish with a dusting of powdered sugar and you've got the perfect pastry to impress your guests. Save this recipe and tag me if you make them. I'd love to see your version.